Alright, hope everybody's doing well. Excuse the background noise. My neighbor's cutting up some lumber as well. We're going to talk about the Central Machinery 5-ton log splitter from Harbor Freight. I didn't feel like doing any manual labor on cutting some maple. Had a little maple tree. Cut it down. Should give a decent amount of wood. Some of these stumps are real thick. We're going to see exactly what this thing can do. Let's get it opened up. Alright, we got it out of the box. It came with an additional drain plug crush washer that goes right there. Had the top of the unit. The handle was the only thing that needed assembly. This part screws right on there. Other than that, it was fully assembled out of the box. So let's get a piece up there and see what we can do. Alright, here we had to turn it around. There's the instructions to check the fluid. There is a dead man switch that you have to operate while holding the lever down in order for it to work. So let's get it plugged up and everything split up. That's the pile of wood that we're gonna do. Like I said, there's some big pieces here. We're talking over 10 inches, you know, probably a foot and a half maybe. See what this thing can do. Alright, this is the full length of the log splitter. Let's see if we can get it. Try and do this one-handed. I know it's bad camera shots, guys. Sorry, I'm doing it one-handed. There it goes. Split it right in half. Then I'll show you how quick the return is. Extremely quick return. But yeah, we just took that whole log and split it in half. Look at that. Alright, that's a big boy. Probably the biggest one I got. My hand's about, what, maybe 10 inches. So this is at least a foot wide. At least. Let's see if we can get this thing set up so we can see if we can split it. Trying to get it. There we go. Hopefully don't knock the phone over. Oh yeah, you see it went right through. No issues. Let me move my phone now. As you can see, it split it right in half. A bigger log than the instruction manual said it will do. So this thing is doing great so far. Alright, here's the final huge piece. Huge piece of wood. Let's see what happens. See if we can't get this thing to stand up and take us a shot. Did it. There it is. You've definitely split it. Alright, so we got done splitting up the wood with the Harbor Freight 5-ton log splitter. If you can see, I took it right out of the box, started using it. Not one issue, not one hiccup. Split all this wood. Some of it was wet. Most of it was maple. It's about 5, maybe 6 feet in width, this rack. And that's about 3 feet tall, so I'd say this is probably a quarter of a cord. Did it in maybe 35, 40 minutes. So let me put the cover down, let's walk over and look at the machine. Alright, there it is. As you can see, everything looks good, no leaks. It Barely has any scratches on it. And I wasn't being easy with it. And these are some surface scratches. Didn't really take any paint off of the head or the spade. So yeah, definitely well worth it. I think they're on sale for $2.79 maybe. Definitely worth the investment. So only time will tell now how long it'll hold up. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe.